Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and welcome to the lecture 9 of HCI. In this lecture we will learn about the two cognitive process which are used in the cognitive frameworks, and these are the attention and memory. So let's talk about the attention process. So when we are present in an environment, and in the environment there can be many stimulus or stimuli reaching out to us, and stimuli is basically our interaction with the environment. So there can be many things coming to us right through the environment, but we only want, or we only focus on some of that. So we are really certain about that, because we can't give our attention to everything in the environment. So we just select some stimuli or the interaction based of our intentions, right? And so attention is basically the ability of mind to focus on one thing at a time, right? So like there are many people talking in the environment or in a mall, right? But you only listen to your friend. So that's the example of the attention, right? So to grab attention, and why we are talking about the attention in the HCI, because we want to grab attention of our user. When we are developing a software, the motive or the goal is to engage user to us, right? And to grab his attention, his or her intention. So you should design and organize your website screen in a proper manner. This will help out you to grab the attention of the user, right? And there can be certain parameters for which you can follow to grab the attention. We will talk about that later, right? Then we have another cognitive process, memory. So it is, as we know, the ability to remember or recall something in our mind, and we remember something but not everything, right? So that's not the even possible to remember everything, right? So we are really certain about that also. So these cognitive process are depending on individual nature of the human beings, and we are studying them to generalize the idea to get the attention or to memorize our usage of the software to our user in the HCI, right? These are the motive. So GUI is easy to recall and remember than the CLI. So command line interface is obviously hard to use, like in the Linux it is hard to use the operating system than the Windows is really easy, right? So we memorize things with some context, and obviously we can't remember a single event. We remember it with some information behind it, right? So there will be a context uh, by which we will remember it, right? So these are the two processes of cognition which we have talked about, and I will meet you in the lecture 10. Thanks for watching.